We are midway through our week-long salute to the Wild Wild West, and what a time we're having. Today, we're taking a tasty trip to Dodge City, Kansas, to a place that dates back to the 1870s. It's called Long Branch Saloon. And if you're thinking that sounds familiar, it's because the saloon was featured in the TV series Gunsmoke. As a matter of fact, the Long Branch Saloon was one of the rowdiest saloons of its time. Well, now it's been reconstructed and is much tamer. It's become part of the Boot Hill Museum, whose goal is to preserve the heritage of the town. You know, visiting Dodge City today is like going back to the Old West. And sure, you can still belly up to the bar for a brewski or a sarsaparilla, and you might want to stick around for one of their dinner shows. One dish that you might find them serving is similar to our Old West style brisket, where we slow cook it with lots of onions and beef broth. Once it's fall apart tender, we shred it and serve it with Texas toast. To get the recipe for what we call Dodge City Pulled Brisket, just head over to our website. I'm Howard from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a dish that's as rich in history as it is in flavor. It's a dish that'll have you saying, ooh, it's so good.